Hi everyone, it's Sintang Mayumi. This is my very first Christmas tags for this year. I love how simple these Christmas tags are. The tag die that I'm going to use is from Nellie's multi-frames die set. I'm also going to use this dies here from Papi Stamps called Townhouses and Village Houses. I already went ahead and die cut everything from white cardstock, and now I'm going to put the houses together with liquid glue. The houses has a separate die for the roof, and you can add to get a little bit of dimension, but you don't have to add the roof if you don't want to. I'm also removing the windows or the die cut from the windows, and then I will do the same thing with this village or townhouses. The cardstock that I'm using for the tags are thinner, so I die cut more of them to adhere on the back of the other tags to make it more sturdy. And then I'm going to mark where I want my holes with pencil, and then I'm using my Crop-A-Dile big bite here. I have this one for a long time now and still works really good. The stamp set I'm going to use is from Paper Sweeties stamps, and I really like this stamps here because the font is like a farmhouse font, and I'm going to place my stamp on the lower part of the tag, and then I will ink it up with Memento Rhubarb ink. I'm going to use different sentiments on each of the tags. I will just repeat the process and ink them up with the same color, Memento Rhubarb ink. I already went ahead and added my foam tape on the back of the houses. You can use just liquid glue to adhere them on the tags, but I want them to pop them up on my tags. That's why I use foam tape. And then I use three houses, the big, small, big, medium, and small on the three tags, and just one of the townhouse on each of the tags. I also die cut some of the reinforcements with the same cardstock, white cardstock, and then I'm going to adhere them in the front of the tags and on the back of the tags. I'm going to use Hero Arts color layering Christmas tree stamp set for my to and from, and I will ink them up with the same ink, Memento Rhubarb ink, and then just stamp them on the back of the tags. And lastly, I'm going to add some shimmer on the houses, and I'm using my Spectrum Noir sparkle pen. And then I added my twine off camera because I don't have red twine when I was making this, so I did that after I got some from the store. I really like how simple these tags are, but of course you can embellish them if you want to. I hope you like today's Christmas tags, and as always, thank you so much for watching, and I will see you again soon. Bye bye.